You have to say that this person is really crazy now. Look at this thing designed by others. The steel wool balls have been made into racks for you. It's not like the traditional one before. Use it once and it will clump together. And it's particularly easy for it to harbor dirt and evil people and practices inside. Mainly because I'm afraid of using it. I'll have this tightrope in my next meal. This won't happen. Because every one of them is made with this kind of overlocking style. No crumbs or residue. Very powerful cleaning power. It is several times that of ordinary steel wire balls. And it won't hurt the pot at all. Let me show you the effect after cleaning. Is Chocho getting more obvious? This one will last you a long time. There's a wire dishcloth that looks like this. It's very simple to use. Traditional steel wire balls hide dirt and evil people and practices. Easy to hide dirty things. It's also easy to damage the pot. This kind of grit is different. It not only has strong friction but also does not damage the pot. If it's dirty, rinse it with water and it'll be clean. The surrounding area is also decorated with exquisite hemming. No matter how much you pull it, it won't break. No more worries about eating wires. Use it to clean the platform. It's very practical to clean the faucet.